Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Callie. What's poppin', what's good, what's going on? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just showing you an overview of all the products you need. I got everything from Dollar Tree and Amazon. Let's get started. I'm gonna use nail polish remover as alcohol to remove any dirt and oil that may be on my nails. This is very important to do before applying your press-ons. I'm taking this nail clipper set I got from Marshall's and I am just going to clip my nails down. I'm still leaving a little bit of nail, but you do not want your natural nails to be way too long. I'm taking this file set I got from Amazon on the low, okay, it was only $4, girl, and it is so bomb. I'm just gonna file down my nails and really shape them up. I'm taking the buffer from the same set and I am just going to buff my natural nails. This helps the glue and the press-ons adhere for a longer time. So this step is crucial. Taking my press-ons that I got from Amazon. These are the bomb.com. Okay, you really need to get these nails. They're so bomb. They come with 600 pieces and they're all numbered, so you can do your nails for numerous times before you run out. And I am just going to size my nails and lay them out on my paper towel. Also, quick tip when sizing, it's always good to go with a nail that's a little bit bigger or just exact on your nail. You do not want to go for a nail size that is small and is showing your natural nails. You want your nails to be covered. But now I'm going to glue my nails. I'm putting glue on the fake nails and my real nails, and I'm holding it down for a good 15 seconds. I start by pressing in the middle first and then pressing on the sides. It's very important that you hold it down for a good time and make sure you're pressing it down really good. Quick tip, if you're indecisive like me, get a blank paper and just put a little bit of nail polish, all the choices that you want, and just put it on the paper so that you're able to see what the polish looks like. And now I'm just going in and filing my nails down because it had a little bit of like stuff hanging from it. I don't really know how to explain, but yeah, you just need to make sure that you're filing it. Now we're at the part that I dread the most. I hate painting my nails so much, but I'm going in with this Wet n Wild nail polish. I will have everything in the description box, so be sure to check it out. I got this polish from Dollar Tree, but you just want to take your time. I did watch a video after doing my nails to see how to paint nails properly because I suck at painting my nails. So the next time I do my nails, I will definitely do a better job. And I'm also planning to get a stand where you can paint your nails before like gluing them on, if that makes sense. Also, if you have gel polish and a UV light, that would be best for doing your own nails, but I didn't have any of those on hand, so I just had to use regular polish. And I'm also using my wooden stick to clean up any mistakes I make on my hands. I'm going in with my second coat of polish. Before you do this, you want to make sure that the first coat is completely dry. I did not do that, but I definitely learned from my mistakes, so make sure you're doing that as well. And also don't use very thick layers of polish. When the polish is completely dry, you want to go over it with top coat, and you can also apply cuticle oil. It's optional, but I will be showing you guys which one I use later on in the video. This is the end of the video. I did my left hands off camera. I was rushing to leave my house. That's why in the clip my nails look a little rough. But please don't crucify me. It's your girl first time doing her nails, okay? But yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!